Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will make a presentation of my paper. My name is Ivan Nurman Rahayu. My student number is uh, 95. Okay, my paper is, the title is The Unstoppable Obsession of Erin Crowell as main character in Freedom Writers movie, an individual psychological approach. Okay, let's start my presentation. In introduction, Freedom Writers is a film based on true story from diary by Erin Crowell. This film tells about racism, teaching, and policy in USA that Crowell faced when she as teacher. So, however, the film is from the real story. The name is Erin Crowell. The film is basically all is not in the diary by Erin Crowell. So this diary is very complete. This is tell about the story, about the conflict, etc. And this film has many main issue that about racism, teaching, and what the policy in USA that Crowell meet when she as teacher. So the Crowell is teacher, and in the story the Crowell is meet many many students that from many background like black skin, Asia, or Europe like that. Next, the paper has focused to analyze the strong obsession of Erin Crowell, which is means about her passionate, her intelligence, and her brave against racism and teaching learning processes. So my paper has focused to analyze the strong obsession, the strong will that Erin Crowell has. So she is teacher, and how she is teach to the students, and how she is develop her passionate, her intelligent, and how her brave. So Erin Crowell is strong women, strong people that she want to uh, against the racism, and make something good about teaching learning process like that. Next. Nah, method that I use is this study is use the qualitative method. There are two kinds of object of study. First is formal object, and second is material object. Formal object, the study is from books about an individual psychology. The material object of the study is Freedom Writer movie. The methods of collecting data in this research are as follows. The first is watching the movie, second reading the script, third is determining the major character that will be analyzed. Next is reading some related books to find out the theory, data, and information required. And the last one, arranging and developing the selected data into a good unit toward the topic of the study. Next, and this is my findings and discussion. Obsession controlled by Erin Crowell was relaunched into solid obsession, since she has numerous approaches to make her fantasy materialize. Her fantasies improve further understudies to be live than previously. She additionally called careless about her techniques that she utilized in some cases make herself in danger. So, in the story, Erin Crowell tried to against the racism, but from this she's reaction, from his action, she is make meet many dangers in his life, because in 19th century the racism is very a lot. So she is meet a dangers when she is against racism. Next, she is a lady with remarkable exertion, energy, and mental fortitude. As Mother Campbell has said, that Cruel is a savvy and lovely lady. In light of that reality, he is imaginative to turn into uneducated despite the fact that he is really alum of the faculty law. So, uh, she is against racism, and as Mother Campbell has said, that Cruel is lovely lady. She is in teaching learning process. She is love her students, not care about the student is from black people or Asian people or anything else. She's love all, and she want to make her students into a good people, into a good students, and can success in their life. Next, Erin, in teaching learning processes, Erin made a game called Line Game. Through this game, Erin needed to investigate the understood issue and train her understood to see one another. With this game, she sees that her understood are becoming acquainted with him, combinations, and begin identifying. So, to easy her teaching, she is made a game called Line Game. This game is to investigate her understudy, her issue about racism, and uh, try try to examine her line game that it's successful or not like that. Next, all the study utilized by Aaron Krull and his understood studies made the state of the homeroom 203 better, and that the understood start to acknowledge how they talk to act towards educators, companions, and furthermore family. They love one another and have an applied ethic. Regard everybody without see their skin tone, race, religion, or identity. In class 203, they are joined together, turned into family. It is I said in before. So in the class 203, uh, Erin Krubel tried to make a learning for her students is to love each other, not care about what that ethnic, what they've come from. So all is turned into a family. So all class members is one family, and must have a good attitude to each other. Next, there are numerous issues looked by Erin Crowell taking care of her responsibility as an instructor at Woodrow Wilson High School, Long Beach, California. At the point when Erin initially met with the understudy at room 203, none of them regarded it. They disparaged it, they don't care for it, they reject it, and they resist it. They scorn Erin since Erin is a white individual. It caused Erin to feel super. Okay, in the conclusion, there are some examinations zeroed in on solid fixation of Erin Cruel as the significant teacher character. This character turns into the principal investigation that firmly related with the mental condition. The investigation showed that Cruel as a teacher have some strategy to develop the class in fused ethnic race. All class members is family and there are nothing different. The conclusion is Erin Cruel as teacher, she can teach many strategies that the members class is from many ethnic race. So there are not one race and many race, but she can organize the class into one family, into powerful developed. So the member members class can develop to good good students like that. Okay, that's my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.